held in Mahila exhibition. So first exhibitor we have with us is Grace and Clay. So we'll talk to Grace and Clay. So what are you exhibiting here?
Actually, we've got an entire mixed collection, starting from shrugs till bridal wear, Lakhnavis, everything, whatever you have.
Yeah, sure.
And we have unstitched fabrics also.
Okay. Okay. Can you show us some unstitched fabrics? Yeah.
Hand embroidery,
Yeah, sure.
and the ranges are from 2000.
Yeah. And these are the
These are few tunics.
okay, the tunics. Okay. Yeah. Okay, okay.
Beautifully styled.
Yeah. Yeah.
And these could be, like those bridal haldi dresses.
Okay.
This can be combined with pattern pants and nice dupatta, heavy dupatta.
Perfect. We have our next exhibitor, which is Fia Designs. So tell us something about you, Fia Designs.
So yeah, I'm very new right now in this, but it's going good alhamdulillah.
Okay.
So I'm mainly into pants, ready-made pants and tunics.
Okay.
Casual wear, but
Casual.
yeah.
Okay. So, okay, no problem. So you just tell me about something about yourself.
She is the first time she is new and she hope she will do very well first thing. And we have some Lucknowi's also, we have Pakistanis also.
Okay, you have mixed collection.
We mix collection. We have stage, we have unstage also as well.
Okay, okay,
We have full dressed also like to wear on parties.
Yeah.
Like kurtis also we have,
Yeah.
some kurtis also. Brands, it's a brand, Sabana Creation.
Shabana Creation.
Yeah. She is a designer.
Yeah.
All we have stitch also and unstitch also.
Okay. Unstitch and stitch as
Unstitch,
well.
yeah, Pakistani.
Thank you so much. Jewelry
Plus everything we have. Purse also we have.
Which is SS Fashion. So say something about yourself. Okay, what are you going to exhibit?
So, we manufacture boutique-based designer dress.
Okay.
Designer
Okay.
and some pieces
Okay.
this type of designer
Okay, you have designer dresses. Thank you. Exhibitor we have with us dress up. So just tell something about yourself, dear.
We have your western tunics.
Okay, can you remove one two and show them? Yeah.
This is a wrap dress.
Okay. Yes.
This is all Indo-Western.
Okay.
take long bottle
Okay. Okay, bottoms as well.
Short top.
Thank you so much. Next we have with us is Sophia's collection. So she will be telling us something about her collection.
Well, right now I have these bridal outfits. These are semi-stitched outfits where we have
Mirror, yeah, I got it. Yeah. Unstitched dresses, yeah. Okay. Yeah, just remove one piece so we can just have a click.
Hello, 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 hello.
Yeah.
की आवाज में हेलो हेलो
Yeah, sure. हेलो सरोवर जी, आगे आ जाइए, थोड़ा बता दीजिए बस, जस्ट अ शॉर्ट, देन यू कैन गो.
What can I say?
Whatever you're okay. So we have with us Glamour and Style. So उनसे पूछते हैं कि the collection what she is exhibiting.
I'm Sanobar Malik from Glamour and Style, and today we have a sale over here with Pakistani suits, ready to wear, Indian suits, and it's 1,000 rupees onwards, 1,000, 1,200 and 1,500.
Wow. Thank you so much. This is the Aisha's fashion. So Aisha, tell us something about your collection.
Mix up collection, Indian, Western and Pakistani designs. So I can show you.
Yeah, just show us.
This is the Pakistani design. And we have a Indo-Western look also.
Indo-Western and Pakistani design.
And we
Yeah.
today we
Both
mix
mix.
up with the wedding collection.
Okay, you have some wedding collection as well.
Arabic.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, perfect. Very nice. So just have a photo. We have with us is the abaya culture. So we'll ask about this. What are the collection about?
Thing about the product, this is one of the best piece. It's Kashmiri work, and we can customize the length according to the customer also. And this is the thread, and the one that is in demand right now is this, the prettiest actually I must say, prettiest kaftan for a bride, and the color is lovely as well. That's it. And we have something regular wear,
Regular wear, yeah, you can.
but funky. And there is inner and shrug.
Okay, okay. And you can show something in heavy as well.
Heavy as well. Okay.
Yeah, the
I would
first
like
piece
to-
or the second one.
Yeah, sure. So this is like real pretty kaftan, but it has work in the front, also in the
And
back.
also in the back. Okay.
And a bride can wish nothing more than this, you know.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Yeah. So that's one thing.
Yeah.
And another heavy piece I would like to show you. This one.
Yeah.
This is like real heavy and really lavish. Okay. It has work at the back as well, and I just personally love this piece.
Okay. So the charges are from 1,500 to
1,500 to 7,000, and even it can be customized if you have your own product.
Okay.
Then we can totally customize it.
Okay. So the next exhibitor we have is Sharmeen Kalyani. So tell me something about your collection.
So my collection is bridal and semi-bridal, and everything is like under 5,000 and also be customized. So it's very reasonably priced. Also the quality of the garment is like very good. Yeah.
You can show us just one collection of yours.
It's a peplum top
Okay.
with the
Dupatta.
and it comes with
So the price of this?
5,000. Yeah. And you can customize it in any color.
Okay, okay.
And then we have these kind of peplum top.
नहीं सर कुछ नहीं बस वही कलर कुछ नहीं है
That you know, French knots and very nice craftsmanship. And then of course you can see this
Yeah.
bridal piece here.
This is the one
Everybody
bridal
is loving
piece,
it.
yeah.
Everyone is
Price
loving
of this bridal piece?
It's for 65,000.
65,000.
Yeah, but obviously customized.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You have
Bridal, semi-bridal, and party wear. So
Okay.
this is one of them. This is a jacket.
Okay.
Cut with the clip and lehenga.
Okay.
And I customize also. Color and work can be customized.
Yes, perfect.
Then we have some party wear type kaftans.
Oh, okay, wow.
It is for jewelry.
Okay.
This is a maxi gown thing.
Okay, you have it in this?
Yes, I have invented this and there's a child.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Creative designs with us. So tell us something about your collection here.
My collection is interesting. I have units. These are all designed by me. We are multi-generational based.
Jogeshwari University. Okay. So can you show us 1-2 piece of yours? Color collection. So the girlish child. So मैं बता देती हूँ, she has some beautiful collection and smart kurtis starting from 750. These are the kurtis which are starting from 750. She has different collection.
आप ऐसे पकड़ के दिखाइए ना.
वो शर्माती है. So it's okay. This is the 750 collection on boards. Okay. Thank you so much. अगर फोटो ले लो तो हमारे सब कस्टमर्स मुझे लग रहा है बाहर खड़े 750 Thanks. The another brand with us is Green Vivisha Creation. So, can you tell us something about your collection?
We are doing kurta, sharara, like what I'm wearing, you can have a look. And then we have like 5 designs in this. And then we have colors also. And then this is totally handmade. No machine work, handmade. And then we have kurtis, only kurtis. So that we can keep up with pants, plazo. And then we take orders also.
Okay, yeah. Customize orders as well. Thank you. Welcome.
This is Safar collection and with coordination with Nishad S. Aura Clothing.
Aura Clothing, okay.
We all are designers of Pakistani designer wear.
Okay.
And we have the collection of
ready-made
kurtis
kurtis
also. And many other brands also we have. And you can contact us online also, and we have the page on Insta also.
आप दोनों आ जाओ फोटो ले लेंगे. सुनो ना भाई, वो भी ले लेना, वो भी उनका ही है निशात जो है ना, तो वो भी कवर अप कर लेना. Tell us something about the exhibition.
Hi, this is Nishad S. I'm the owner of Aura Clothing. I have all Pakistani original brands. I don't have anything replicas. I just get all originals. I have Rozia, Anaya, I have Fukraj, Tawakkal, Maria. You name them, I have them. You can order me on my number. This is 8286607866. You can contact me through Afri. Thank you very much.
So we have the next exhibitor, which is Sparkle Creation. So tell us something about yourself here.
Hello, this is Sparkle Creation. I basically deal in Pakistani Gucci, and this time I have come out with some designer wear, which are basically lace work and everything. These are the wedding collection. These are the exclusive wedding collection. This is all OG brand, Ben Said and everything.
Thank you so much. We can have a photograph together. So we have a exhibitor, which is NS Jewelers. Parveen will talk to her. What are you exhibiting? Tell something about your collection.
Parveen from NS Jewelers, and I do jewelries in 80s. I mostly deal in 80s, all types like rings, earrings, bracelets. You can see everything is in my store. So please do visit my store for amazing offers and everything. I'm giving many offers also today. If you all want, you all can call me also and tag me. Insta ID also is the NH Jewelers. So I deliver at home also, whatever orders you all give it to me. Hi, my name is Veena. I am looking for creativity. We are specialized in tasnees, customized tasnees. You can have a look. These are digital counter tasnees. We have many colors in this. You can see, you can have a look. We have new one also collections. We have this counter tasnees. We have kitchens also. And we have here, see this is bound. We have frames over here. We have this showpiece. So this is basically like we customize your thinking. And this is the incubator and this is the new introduction.
Thank you. The next exhibitor we have with us is the SMZ. So tell us something about your collection here.
We have recently launched our product, which is SMZ Herbal Hair Oil. So first we tried for 2 years with our family members. So when we got excellent results, so we started to think we should start a product line of our hair. So we have come up with this hair oil. It is completely home-based oil, and we have used all natural ingredients like onion, cologne seeds, methi, curry patta. So this gives you a good texture to your hair and it gives you all the nourishment which right now it's not possible with the heat and that we use. So you can use this for better results.
Sure. Thank you. Trailing style. Okay. So we have an exhibitor which is Trailing style. So tell us something about your collection here from Damodar Gadgets.
We have all types of hijabs, scarves, plain, printed, etc. We have winter collection, wedding collection, accessories like pins, hairbands, scrunchies, etc. You can visit our stall and see everything. We have materials like soft cotton, then Malaysian cotton, printed hijabs like strip one. So you can visit.
Thank you so much. We can have a photograph. So tell us something about your exhibition, collection here.
Hello, I'm Zubia. My label name is Zubia Siddiqui. I have colors on this. I have wide range of kaftans as well. And I've recently launched this pastel collection.
Pastel collection, okay. Thank you so much.
ये ऑल टाइप स्किन सूटेबल प्रोडक्ट है मेरे सारे होममेड है, नो हार्मफुल केमिकल, इट्स नेचुरल।
ओके।
और ये मैं खुद घर में बनाती हूँ, मैंने कोर्स किया हुआ है। और मेरे पास शैम्पू है, फेस वॉश है, ऑल टाइप ऑफ सोप है, सीरम है, वैक्स पाउडर है, स्पेशल वैक्स पाउडर
ओके,
क्रीम है, अल्ट्रा ग्लो क्रीम है, नीम क्रीम है, सैफरन क्रीम है, लिप बाम है,
ओके,
आई रोलर है, ऑल टाइप ऑफ स्किन सोप।
Thank you so much. So we have here with the another exhibitor, Saika Ashfaq collection. So tell us something about your collection here.
Pakistani dresses, lawn dresses, crochet dresses.
Acha, crochet dresses. Yeah.
Lucknowi ready-made kurtis, pants.
Okay, pants. Okay.
In your budget.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. We wrap your head. So tell us something about your collection here.
We have varieties of hijab like cotton, Malaysian georgette, printed hijabs, and plus we have introduced new magnetic pins. So these are very comfortable and easy to use. Plus we have introduced a gift box. This is customized gift box. You can put any amount of hijabs plus pins in it, and you can gift it to anyone.
Yeah, no problem. You just call me.
Thank you.
We have all the original products and we are giving it at 50% discount.
Okay, so it's a discount 50% flat.
Yes, flat 50%. And we have products like MAC, and everything is at 50%.
Okay. Thank you so much. The art and creation with us. So, वो मेहंदी लगा रही है. So this is a free mehndi for everyone. Cones, design, everything. So all our customers are welcome and can apply free mehndi from them. एंड तुम्हारा कोई ब्रांड है? नहीं ना? ओके, मैं बाद में तुम्हारी but your designer stop by Sabina. So tell us something about your collection here.
Hi, my name is Tara and we make ethnic wear plus bridal and kurtis, tunics, like everything, and affordable prices as long as good quality as well. And you can order, and our Instagram ID is designer stop by Sabina. We do have a card as well, and we reside in Bandra, and you all can order us and text us, whatever. And you all, we start from, bridal starts from 10,000 and tunics from 750 onwards.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I can see there are many nice abayas. Okay, and besides that we have children clothes.
Children's clothes, okay, kids clothes. You can show just one piece behind from them.
Yeah, sure.
Boys and girls, right?
Boys and girls.
एक कोई भी निकाल के दिखा दीजिए. हाँ, no problem. Yeah, these are the shirts of boys. And आगे जो है, it's for girls.
It's for the girls, yeah. This is for the girls, and we have also
purses as well. Okay.
And the hand clutches too.
Okay. यहाँ पे निकाल दीजिए वीडियो. Okay, the shop is at Kulla, so आप visit भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, sure. We have the next exhibitor, which is Sari Elements of Style. So tell us something about your collection here.
So we have various kinds of hair accessories. We also have wigs which we don't have right now.
Yeah.
But you can come and visit us at our shop, which is at Crawford Market.
Crawford Market.
We have scrunchies, different kinds of scrunchies, printed and satin ones. We have hair clips, normal banana clips, and clutchers like these.
This, okay.
We also have, this is something new, which is very fast selling. These ones. And we have hairbands, which we have like different ranges, but this is the one which we have.
Okay.
And for more, you can come and visit us.
Sure. Thank you. You are Saj creation. So tell us something about your creation here.
Actually, Pakistani Indian and
Okay, Lucknowi, Pakistani, Indian.
मेरा तो एक्चुअली मैं घर से नहीं करती हूँ.
ये फर्स्ट टाइम है आपका? अच्छा, आप एक्सिबिशन करते हैं. ठीक है. Thank you. This is the Ham Precious Stone. So tell us something about your collection here.
हमारे इधर है ना स्कार्स की हर तरह की रेंज है, हर तरह की वैराइटीज़ है. इवन हमारे पास सेल्स के भी स्कार्स है और ज्वेलरीज का लार्ज कलेक्शन है. अमेरिकन डायमंड्स है और डेली वेयर इयरिंग्स वगैरह स्कार्स हैं.
Thank you so much. इनके पास स्कार्फ है.
ये सब हलाल है.
Okay. Okay.
और इसमें बॉक्स का भी
Okay, customizations भी है. आपके पास Aisha we have with us. So tell us something about your jewelry here.
जो आप वेस्टर्न वेयर और इंडियन वेयर
Indian से पहन सकती हो. Okay.
और सब वैरायटी टेसल्स है. और ये जो बड़ा है ये अभी कुछ
Indo Western new type है.
गोल्ड एंड वाइट
Silver.
तो ये थोड़ा सा न्यू है. और ये सारे टेसल्स और भी काफ़ी वैरायटी है इसमें. स्मॉल इयरिंग्स, लॉन्ग्स,
All type of earrings are
और ये सब वेस्टर्न पे या फिर आपको इंडियन पहन सब
Sure. She's having all type of jewelries. So do visit her. Have with us Alia's cosmetics. Alia by Farad. So tell us something about your cosmetics.
It's basically all handmade cosmetics. Everything is chemical free and halal, and each and every shade can be customized over here. So it's like आप लगाओ, आप नमाज पढ़ो, there is no issue. And this is Alisha
हाँ, वो अभी का मैं लेती हूँ मम्मी को बुला के. तुम सारे टेंशन मत लो. मम्मी को खड़े के बोल दूँ. Deco is done by Chocolates and Bloom by Asma Khan. Thank you Asma for the amazing customization of balloons, and thank you for the amazing decoration. Really loving it. And guys, do check out her Instagram page Chocolates and Bloom, and do visit her page as well. And also she is specialized in every packaging, trouser packaging and everything. So do check out her page. at Chocolates and Bloom by Asma Khan. Thank you so much. We have with us is the Kash Boutique. So tell us something about your collection here.
American Indian is
1,000. Okay, starting range 1,000 rupees. Okay. All are 1,000 rupees. Okay. And you want to show one two piece of yours? हाँ. Okay. Okay, this is full. मतलब full dresses you have of 1,000 rupees. Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. With us, next exhibitor is the Global Hijab. So, आप अपने collection के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. Excuse me. Ash this together.
My name is Usma Deshmukh. I have an online store on Instagram as global.hijab and I sell imported abayas and hijabs and accessories. You can contact me on 9819552756. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Calm and Quilt. So she's exhibiting branded bed sheets and everything. So let's talk to her. There's something about your exhibition here.
We have branded bed sheets, towels, pure cotton bed sheets starting from 300. Towel sets, we have dough mats, we have your Mera blankets, these type of dough mats. We even have pillow covers and rigid towels.
जैकेट पेडिस्टल है ना, हाँ ये कलर मैंने
Okay, this is the fragrance.
कलर दूसरा
Oh.
ये येलो कैसा है, ये ऐसे टाइप में ब्राइट कलर में मेरी बेटी के लिए देखी.
So we have MAF collection with us. So just let us know something about the collection dear.
इमिटेशंस का रेंज है, सब पे 20% ऑफ है. सीजर डायमंड्स है, प्रेस्ड डायमंड्स है. आप पहनो उसको रेगुलरली, ब्लैक नहीं होगा इंशाल्लाह. कॉटन में रखिए. पैंट्स का एक्सक्लूसिव रेंज है. पैंट्स का एक्सक्लूसिव रेंज है. बाय एनी 1200 कुर्तीज विद पैंट्स, रेडी टू वेयर. कोई भी ओकेजन, कोई भी फंक्शन, इजी टू वेयर.
Starting range
2500. Exclusive, you won't find anywhere.
Okay.
Inshallah. With pants, kurtis में भी collection class है. All handworks. Best material with अस्तर. Purely Karachi में semi stitched है. Maximum 55 तक का कोई भी.
Okay.
दुपट्टा हुआ. Best collection, designer. Thank you.
With the next exhibitor, which is Neeta's Closet.
It's the kids closet.
Okay, the kids closet. So tell us something about your collection here.
So I have all the items from age 1 year. It goes up to 12 years. We customize for adults as well, even for olders.
Okay.
Adults and olders as well. We have a lot of twinning, like family items, bridal shower, all these things. And we have a huge variety of prints. Like a huge variety of prints.
Huge variety of prints. Okay. Thank you so much. कौन सा brand है? Humera? हाँ, वो एक दो निकालना पड़ता तो मैं खरीदा तुम्हारा वो ही आ रही है. Humera, who talk from with us. So tell us something about your collection here.
Yeah, I'm from Mumbai.
Okay.
I have totally handwork dresses for bridal and exclusive tassels.
Okay, dresses. So she has some this type of collection as well.
Yeah, you get lehenga with I have this kind of body jackets. And these are totally handwork and all exclusive for wedding.
Our next exhibitor, Hijab World, who is exhibiting this as well. Okay. Hijab World. तो आप Hijab World बताइए, हम क्या exhibit कर रहे हो?
We have burqas.
Okay. Okay, designer burqas.
For second namaz dupattas.
Okay, namaz dupattas.
वो चीज़ थी ना designer scarves है.
put makna. Acha. Okay, this is the makna they have.
We have sleeves maknas.
Okay.
We have prayer maknas.
Okay, plain. Acha, okay, very nice.
Full prayer maknas.
Okay. Okay. We have many varieties. So just tell us something. Faluda, try Faluda, taste to remember. So just tell us something about it.
Delicious Faluda. And we have pure honey, cow's honey.
Okay, cow ghee.
Cow ghee and pure coconut oil.
Okay.
And we have flavored honey
Flavor
also.
honey as well, okay.
We have flavored soap also.
Okay, flavor soap, flavor
We have
honey.
this
Sandu halwa.
and
Olive oil. Acha, you have a box of olive oil as well.
Yeah.
Okay. And they are having faluda as well.
And kulfi as
And kulfi as well.
papad and achars also.
Okay, papas and achars also. यहाँ नीचे से ले लीजिए. We have our next exhibitor, frozen fruit. Acha, this is fresh shells. So they deal in amazing.
मैं हाथ यहाँ पे हाथ लगा के देख लूँ ना.
ठीक से क्या शब्द है?
सारे प्रोडक्ट हमारे जो चिकन के हमारे पास मोर देन 35 वैराइटीज़ हैं. इसके अलावा मटन और फिश के लिए भी काफ़ी सारी वैराइटीज़ हैं. मगर इस एग्जीबिशन के अंदर हमने एक नए प्रोडक्ट 5 नए प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए
Only for this exhibition.
जिसका नाम है फ्रोजन फ्रूट्स के अंदर जैसे मैंगो फल हो गया, स्ट्रॉबेरी, कस्टर्ड एप्पल, क्रीम वगैरह बनाते हैं. तो ये केक्स जो बनाते हैं, केक वो सारी चीज़ों के अंदर 100% प्योर.
ओके ओके ठीक है. और उनके ये नया स्टार्टअप है, ये भी ले लीजिए उनका.
प्योर मैंगो पल्प.
ओके, दिस इज अ प्योर ओके ओके.
इसकी वैलिडिटी अगर आप फ्रीज में रखते हो मोर देन 1 ईयर यू कैन स्टोर दिस. और जब कभी भी आप चाहें तो विदिन 5-10 मिनट्स कोई भी किसी तरह का प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हैं.
ओके ओके.
अंजीर है, स्ट्रॉबेरी है, होल स्ट्रॉबेरी है, कस्टर्ड एप्पल है और रेड गुआवा. ये 5 में टोटल हमारे पास अराउंड 15 वैराइटीज है. बट इन दिस एग्जीबिशन वी हैव लॉन्च्ड
ओके. दिस इज द fruits bulb you can say.
फ्रूट्स bulb.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we have with us is the AFH food court. So tell us something about your food stuffs.
First exhibition we have started with this exhibition.
Okay.
And we're having all homemade foods like chicken mayonnaise, sandwich, burgers and all. So please come and visit our stall. Thank you.
So we have with us is the food craft and the chocola. So tell us something about this.
Food craft is all about baking and cakes and everything, and chocolate is all about chocolates. We have different flavored chocolates. We have special mousse chocolates, imli chocolates, strawberry chocolates and all. And here we have a lot of cupcakes, vanilla, marshmallow, brownies, some jam, some cookies.
Thank you. And you would like to say something about your brand? Okay. We have a photograph. We have with us can I get the brand name? Hunger Station. So we have with us is the Hunger Station. So tell us something about it. So
we're just having pizza, rolls and brownies.
Okay, they have pizza, buns and brownies.
Yeah, that's
okay. Thank you so much. This is the Cakes Mania. So tell us something about your stall, please.
Actually, I'm homemade.
Okay.
And it's all out of cakes, homemade brownies, cupcakes,
Okay. Everything is homemade. Okay.
You can order me I take classes also.
Okay, you take classes as well. Okay. Sure. So the next brand that we have with us is the SKF's Exports.
So this is basically dry fish.
Okay.
We export all over India and also in India.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are like small dry fish.
Yeah. Bombil. Brownies. And there are some mini brownies.
Mini brownies. Yeah.
Thank you. The brand is the Archie Shake collection. So tell us something about your brand here.
Original branded brownies like Rojas, Mitas and all original these are here. We are only starting just from 700 only.
Okay,
The starting range is 700
Okay.
jars and Milan is 750 and
We'll show this one. Only for 700 the starter price. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
yeah, so I do have my hair accessories starting from just rupees 40 onwards, and I have a heaven collection which is there for only for 50 and 100 rupees. And for more updates, you can just follow A-Fly clothing and accessories page. There you can get a full update about all the things. And here we have a namaz scarf which is purely cotton and home stitched, and it is just for rupees 300. And here we have a hijab which is just for rupees 400. 250, okay, 250. And the namaz scarf which we have the Croatia border, that is just for rupees 200. Thank you so much. Please do visit my stall
And exhibition
do
as
purchase,
well.
yeah, exhibition as well.
Don't visit the stall, but first visit the exhibition, guys.
Yes.
Scarves and dresses. अच्छा. So this is the scarf and dresses stall. आप बताइए. Homemade stuff है आपका. अच्छा, frozen item है. Okay. Brista है. अच्छा. First time है आपका. Okay. तो उनका first time है, मैं बता देती हूँ. They have frozen stuffs with them and Brista packets, other lesson boxes as well. So you can come and visit over here as well.
Pineapple.
With year zero populations. So just tell us something about your brand. You can get started together. Yeah.
Hi, we are home-based brand. It's completely home-based, no sugar added, and it is completely fruit-based. So it is made up of fruits, and any flavor you take, it's for 30 bucks. We have 13 different flavors available, and we take bulk party orders, and also we supply, and there is pickup also available for this.
Okay, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Rishabha, owner. So बताइए विकी आंटी आपके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. Moisturizing cream, oil face wash, hair serum. इनके एडिट कर देना सर. हाँ. विटामिन सी एंड ऑल्सो मेनी अदर प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे तुम ले सकते हो. जूम कर लीजिए यहाँ पे पूरा एक साथ में. ये इनका कार्ड है अलशबा हर्बल्स, उन पे भी जूम कर लीजिए. हाँ,
केमिकल फ्री और ये बाल झड़ना रुकते हैं.
हाँ, बोल सकते हो मेंटी बिंदास. हाँ, बोलो
हाँ, मेरे बाल झड़ना सचमुच रुकते हैं इससे, होते हैं इससे. और अच्छा, ये स्क्रब वगैरह जितने भी हैं मेरे ना, सब लगाने से रंग साफ.
ओके ओके. सो ये जो भी इनके स्क्रब्स है, जो लगाने से फेस एकदम क्लियर हो जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो शी हैज रोज फेस वॉश.
इससे भी रंग क्लियर हो जाता है.
इससे भी रंग